Welcome to Sprint. I hope everything's going well for you. Alright, SAT squad, today we're tackling quadratic equations, finding roots. Pause the video anytime if you want extra thinking time, and subscribe to Sprint. Easy level. Let's warm up your brain. Roots incoming. Option D. Easy start. Can you find the roots fast? Option A. Quick math check. What solves this quadratic? Option B. This one looks simple, don't overthink it. Three. SAT warm-up round. What are the solutions? Hear your answer. Roots hiding in plain sight. Spot them. Option D. Factor it or formula it, your move. Option D. First challenge, find the x values. Option B. Quick solve, drop your answer mentally. Option A. SAT students should get this in seconds. Five. Medium level. Alright, level up a little. Option B. This one needs clean factoring skills. Option D. Think fast, what values make it 0? Option A. Can you solve it before the timer? Option A. Roots check. What are the solutions here? Option C. Time to flex those algebra skills. Option C. Quadratic's getting interesting now. Option A. Don't panic, just break it down. Option C. SAT mode. Solve it efficiently. Option D. Think about the product and sum. Option B. Hard level. Hard mode activated. Option B. Don't rush, analyze the equation. Option B. Real roots or complex? Check carefully. Option A. This one requires precision. Option D. Advanced algebra moment. Option C. This question shows up on real tests. Option D. Only sharp minds solve this quickly. Option D. Stay calm and compute. Option A. Last stretch, can you solve it? Option D. Final one, drop your answer. Did you get it right? Option C. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.